My name is Brandon Walker. I work now for Chris Bailey at Bailey's Window Service. I came in last year and was looking for help to find some employment, and Jacob's been really helpful. Just with interviews, he's helped me with questions, job leads, and got my resume really nice. And so, yeah, it's been really helpful a lot. I went from being homeless and drug addict to almost coming up on a year clean, and I got my own place. I got a brand new car, so like, it's helped me a lot. If you think you can try something, try it, because it sure beats sitting on the couch or in a tent, because for me, I just didn't have the confidence. And so they helped me with my confidence. Don't tell yourself you can't when you can, ask for help because it's out there. And don't be scared to ask for help, and it's all free, so that's what's really cool. I was always negative, talking negative, and, so just if you, be positive, and I'm grateful today. And the people here are really super nice. They don't judge you. That was the thing too. I always thought well, they're gonna judge me, because I was straight up, and told them, I'm homeless and I have a problem with, drug addiction, and they didn't judge me at all. They just, treated me like I was a normal person, and so that helped a lot too. So no matter what kind of barriers you're facing, you can do it, because I did it.